guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Tesla. We ended the day at 1014.97. You can see that we pulled back right around $70 from yesterday's trading session. That's almost 6.5% down from the previous day's close. Now, we are monitoring this 23.6 fib level, 1082. See if that could hold, maybe consolidate up there before we start working our way up. But just the bottom fell out of it today. So going forward, that is going to be our next resistance. So that 23.6 fib is going to be our resistance. That's basically right where that 9-day EMA is trading. That 9-day EMA is at 1088. So right in there, your 1080s. That's going to be a hard resistance for us because that's where our fib level is. It was a nice support for us here a couple weeks ago or a week and a half ago or so. Now going forward, where does that put us support wise since we did break through that? Well, it's going to be right at this 50-day moving average here, which is also right where your 38.2 fib level is. That's going to be at 981. So really $1,000, nice big psychological level, but really 980s, 981 is going to be where that next support is going to be. And below that, we're looking at this 50% fib retrace here right around the $900 level, but it's going to be a while before we get down there just yet, it seems. Resistance wise, obviously that 23.6 fib, but above that, is there really anything? Yeah, the 1175s is what we're looking at for a next resistance, and then above that, we're looking at the $1,200 level. Nice psychological level in there to see if we can break and hold that, but really it's going to be all about that 23.6 fib in there, that 9-day EMA for our first big resistances to kind of confirm that we're going back in the right direction. RSI 47, stochastics 33, both being reset right now. Obviously that big pullback today, 6.5% down. So we should have enough juice in there to kind of start slowly consolidating and working our way back up. We'll have to wait and see though. We might have to come down here and touch this 50-day moving average first before we start doing that. But again, we are being reset here on the RSI and stochastics, so that is always a good sign. You can see right here, last time stochastics got this low in the 34s, we had this nice little run up right here. I mean, this is a almost $200 run right here last time stochastics were down this low. So that is always some good news. So we might have the past repeating itself here. But again, we'll have to wait and see. It's all about this 50-day moving average and that 23.6 fib going here in the future. IV ranking here is at 56, got a lot of juice in here compared to itself over the last year. $84 expected move by December 10th. Your December monthlies, everybody's pricing in right around 125. And if you go out to your January monthlies, everybody's pricing in right around a $218 expected move. And you also do have earnings in here the following week. So you have January monthly expiration on the 21st, and then you have the following week, January 26th earnings. So we might get a run up in here in the next, I don't know, probably 3 or 4 weeks. We'll start monitoring IV and see really if we're going to get another run up into earnings or not, but we still have 3 or 4 weeks before we start worrying about that. So I mean, it's 59 days away, or sorry, 49 days away for that expiration cycle, and then that earnings earnings report date. So plenty of time to kind of consolidate here and then monitor the IV and see exactly what we're going to be doing as we get closer into the new year and into that earnings report. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description. And we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.